Hello, students. Today, our essential question is, how can you use multiples to estimate quotients? Let's unlock the problem together. The bakery made 110 pumpkin muffins. They will be packed in boxes with 8 muffins in each box. About how many boxes will there be? Let's read it again. This time we're going to do some circling and some underlining. The bakery made 110 pumpkin muffins. They will be packed in boxes with 8 muffins in each box. About how many boxes will there be? I want to underline each because that is important because we have 8 muffins in each box. And I also want to underline about because about is like an estimate. So they're very closely correlated. So because about is so important, I'm going to box this off and then I'm going to underline the remaining of the question. So about how many boxes will there be? You can use multiples to estimate. A multiple of a number is the product of a number and a counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are counting numbers. So let's estimate 110 divided by 8. Think, what number multiplied by 8 is about 110? Step 1. List the multiples of 8 until you reach 110 or greater. Multiples multiplied, very closely tied. So in order for us to get the multiples of 8, we have to use the counting numbers. So the counting numbers, multiples of 8. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. 5 times 8 equals 40. 6 times 8 equals 48. 7 times 8 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96. 13 times 8 is 104. And 14 times 8 is 112. So, list the multiples of 8 until you reach 110 or greater. So, 112, got it. Let's look closer. Now that we were able to get the multiples of 8, let's look at step 2. Find the multiples of 8 that 110 is between. So, 13 times 8 is 104. And 14 times 8 is 112. Therefore, 110 is between 104 and 112. So 110 divided by 8 is between 13 and 14. 110 is closest to, I'd say 112, of course. So 110 divided by 8 is about 14. So there will be about 14 boxes. Now it's your turn to try. So I want you to try this. List the next 8 multiples of 10. So you're looking for the multiples, multiply. Remember that little hint, multiply, multiples. List the next 8 multiples of 10. So 10, 20. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is, we got that. So I want you to go all the way up till you get to 8 numbers. And then your next charge is to list the next 7 multiples of 100. 1 times 100 is 100. 2 times 100 is 200. 3 times 100, and so on until you get 7 multiples. Okay? I want you to try it. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll discuss it further. Thanks so much and have a great evening.